Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture on Python. Today let us discuss the topic dictionaries and advanced list processing. In this, we will explore Python's powerful tools for data handling. We will learn about efficient data structures for organized information, streamline your code for clarity and performance with these essential techniques. The core concept of dictionary is they are key value pairs, unordered, mutable, meaning changing collections of unique, immutable keys linked to any data type values. Hash table implemented via hash tables, offering average 0 of 1 for lookup insertion and deletion operations. Example: see a sample dictionary, name, alias, age, 30, city, New York. So here we have the name key and then the value alias. The same goes age key and then 30 is the value and then city is the key and New York is the value. The dictionary operations, creation and access. How to create a dictionary? We have to initialize dictionaries using opening and closing flower brackets or dictionary opening and closing parentheses. Example: my dictionary is equal to opening flower bracket within single quote a, an integer, colon, and then any numeric, here 1. And then how to access the value of a dictionary? We can retrieve values by key my dictionary within square brackets of the required key we have to given. Use dot get opening and closing parentheses for safe access with defaults. Modify entries. How to update, add, delete, or alter the values of a dictionary. We can add or update by my dictionary of the key value that is equal to the value to be added or updated. We can alter the existing value by giving my dictionary of the key value that is equal to the value to be altered. Deleting entries. Removing items using del, my dictionary of the key value, or my dictionary dot pop, or that is pop of the key value. Dictionary methods, views and updates. Dynamic views use keys, values and items for dynamic views of dictionary content. Update method, merge dictionaries with update. Example, my dictionary dot update opening parenthesis opening flower bracket job is equal to this colon engineer. Clear and copy. Clear removes all items while copy creates a shallow duplicate. List comprehensions, that is the fundamentals. Consensus creation, create new list from iterables using a single line of code. A readable syntax expression for item is iterable. Enhances code clarity over loops. Performance boost. Often 1.5 to power, uh, 2 times faster than traditional for loops in C Python. Thus, we have completed the fundamentals of list and then the conditional logic. Filtering with if. Include an if clause to selectively filter items. Example, events is equal to x for x in range 10 if x modulo 2 is equal to 0. Ternary if else. Use if else within the expression for conditional output. Example, status high if value greater than 50, else low for value in 20, 75, and 40. Advanced list processing with dictionaries and comprehensions. Complex structures utilize nested comprehensions for advanced data reshaping like matrix flattening. Data extraction extract specific data from list of dictionaries. Example, names is equal to d of name for d and uses if d of age greater than 25. Creation from list. Efficiently create list from list. Example, word length is equal to word length of word for word in apple, banana. Conclusion. Powerful Pythonic tools. Dictionaries are flexible, high performance in the order of 1, average data storage. They are the masters of achieve cleaner, more Pythonic and performant code. List comprehensions are concise, efficient list generation and transformation. They have the combined power to streamline complex data manipulation tasks in fewer lines. Thank you.